So, a woman named Carrie from North Carolina was diagnosed with oral throat cancer at 40 years old. She started smoking after seeing her father and all her friends doing it. Carrie's message to the Tips and Former Smoking campaign is to encourage people to stop and learn to start smoking. Smoking has become much more popular among teens. Being informed about it can help us prevent ourselves or expose family and friends from smoking. Although smoking may be used as a stress relief, there are many negative effects in the long term. This is why being informed about the irreversible consequences of smoking to your own body and to the people around you is the first step in preventing yourself and your loved ones from getting hurt. There are many commercials exposing worldwide the negative effects of tobacco. There are many. Today I will be talking about you or anybody you know should refrain from smoking. I will include the negative effects of smoking to the individual, for the people around them, which is also called secondhand smoke, and the steps worldwide can prevent smoking. Let's start by defining what cigarette smoking actually is. Preventing smoking means first understanding what smoking is. According to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary of Smoking is to inhale or exhale the fumes of a burning plant material, especially tobacco. Smoking can be very dangerous, equally to the environment, wildlife, and humans. There are over 4,000 chemical compounds created by burning a cigarette, and 69 of those chemicals have been known of cancer. Toxic slash heavy metals are metals compounds that have the potential to harm our health when observed or inhaled. There are two types. The first type is arsenic, which is commonly used in rat poison. The second type is cadmium, a toxic chemical used in batteries. Poison is defined as any substance that, when introduced to a living organism, causes severe physical distress or death. Science has discovered approximately 200 poisonous gases in cigarette smoke. The first one is ammonia, which is used in cleaning products and fertilizers. The second one is called nicotine, is a poison used in pesticides and also the addictive quality in cigarettes. The third and last one is carbon monoxide, which is produced in car exhaust and is lethal in large amounts. Next, I'm going to explain some of the negative effects of smoking. There are many negative effects of smoking, both to the individual and people around them. Recently, smoking has been found to cause risk with infertility in both men and women. Cigarette smoking has been to cause problems with consumers' ability to become pregnant. Smoking is harmful to a woman's ovaries, and smoking over time causes more and more damage to a woman's reproductive organs. It causes the loss of fertile eggs and could advance menopause by another of years. Smoking is associated with increased risk of spontaneous miscarriage and ectopic pregnancy. According to the American Cancer Society, secondhand smoke is another growing problem with smoking. A secondhand smoke is an environmental tobacco smoke. There are two types: string and mainstream smoke. Secondhand smoke is classified as a known human carcinogen or cancer-causing agent by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, the U.S. National Toxicity Program, and the International Agency for Cancer. Secondhand smoke has also been known to cause breast cancer, heart disease, lung cancer, and worsen asthma. Finally, I'm going to explain the steps that need to be taken to prevent the full effects of smoking. Initiatives need to be taken to prevent smoking. Informing needs to be with your family and close friends. Talk to them about the negative effects. Discourage smoking. Many public places have banned smoking. There are now worldwide commercials and campaigns to convince the world to stop smoking. Log on to Stop Smoking Foundation website. The website is www.stopsmoking.net. There are many interesting links and more information about this topic. Today I have defined what smoking is. Together we reviewed a few types of chemicals in cigarettes, the negative effects of smoking, and what can be done to prevent it. The main goal of learning information in life is to use it. According to HelpWithSmoking.com, globally around 2.5 million people die each year from smoking, and it has been estimated that sometime during the 2020s, the number of deaths caused by something will hit the 10 million mark. Inform your peers and your loved ones. Don't let them become a part of this statistic. In the project, this is Terry when she was about 20 years old, and now she has a voice box and a throat for smoking. Stop smoking, and these are all the cancerous you can get from smoking. You can get it in almost all of your body.